Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is client server model. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is client-server model? A client-server model is a networking computing system design that illustrates a relationship between two or more computers, where the client computers request and receive services or resources from a powerful centralized server computer. It describes a specific way devices access the information you store in servers. Okay guys, so this is the end of my video on what is client server model is all about. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.